Ready to uncover secrets that have been buried for centuries? Let's journey through time. History isn't just old books and dusty relics, it's the thrilling saga of human adventure. Picture this: the bustling streets of ancient Rome, the towering ziggurats of Mesopotamia, or the enigmatic stone heads of Easter Island. From Cleopatra to Genghis Khan, from the Mayan temples to the Viking longships, we're unraveling the mysteries of civilizations that built our world. Each discovery is a piece of the puzzle that makes us who we are today. But it's not all grand empires and epic battles. We're also sharing the untold stories, the hidden heroes, the ingenious inventions, the moments of courage and creativity that changed the course of history. Join us as we breathe life into the past, making it relevant and exciting. Because knowing where we come from helps us understand where we're going. Subscribe now and embark on this incredible journey through the ages. Don't just learn history, live it. Discover, explore, and uncover the stories that shaped our world. Hit that subscribe button and let's make history come alive.